everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this eye makeup. So maybe it is looking a little difficult, but it is so simple. Like, it just took me 10 minutes to create this look, and it is very easy when you use a sellotape or any eyeshadow safeguard thing. I love this look because it instantly lifts your face up. Like, this is a foxy eye kind of thing. So I've already done a foxy eye tutorial on my Instagram, like for my IGTV. If you haven't followed me yet there, I'm gonna leave my Instagram link in the description box, so please do not forget to check it out. So yes, it is a blend of 2 or 3 colors, like the light brown, the dark brown and the black, and super easy to create. So if you want to know how I get this snatched and uplifted look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so first, because we want to create a proper V with this, so I'm gonna use this sellotape for that accuracy, and also because I have my base on, so I'm gonna just loosen its grip, like the stickiness of this tape. I'm just gonna lose it a little so that my foundation won't come out with this tape, and I'm just gonna place it something like this. Perfect. And now, because we are gonna use the browns and black, so just to protect my base makeup, I'm gonna layer this powder under my eyes. So I'm gonna use this palette for browns. This is a Nicka K palette in the variant Mocha, and it is a very beautiful palette because it has all the shades of brown that I'll be needing in this video today. I'm gonna take this sort of brush which is fluffy but flat. Like, this brush is very helpful when you are doing some precise makeup look. All you have to do is take a lighter brown color like this one, and now very roughly you just have to move your brush like this way, but very close to your lash line. So by this way your eyes will look lifted. You can see I'm very roughly moving my brush, but with very light handed. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown color, and I'm doing it in the same way I have done this light brown one. And now again roughly I'm just gonna build up this color, like enhancing these wings. You can either take a black eyeshadow, or you can take a black kajal, or a gel eyeliner will also do. So I'm just gonna take this Swiss Beauty eyeliner. If you have an angular brush, something like this, then it is gonna help you a lot. So what you have to do is just dunk your brush into this thing. Now you just have to follow the shape of your eyeshadow, like just very close to the sellotape and close to your lash line as well. And taking the same brush, and I have nothing on this brush, like no color, and I'm just gonna smoke it up a little. Like, you just have to diffuse this black one. Crazy is perfect, shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. That's it, and now you can see how pretty this is looking. And now I'm just gonna remove this tape and shape it a little. Wow. And now it's time for the lower lash line, and I'm gonna take the other side of this brush, which is flat. Like, this one was fluffy and this one is flat. And I'm gonna take this dark brown color and just gonna add it here so that this wing looks connected. Like you can see what I'm doing. So now you can see my eyes are instantly looking like lifted up. Yes. And now I'm gonna take this fluffy side of the brush and taking this light brown color, I'm just gonna smudge it. And now I'll be needing my gel eyeliner again and taking the same angular brush, I'm gonna fill in my upper lash line. So you can either use a kajal or a gel eyeliner will also do. Might be a lot of steps, but every step is very simple. It is all about the game of a cello tape. You just have to paste it and you can get this kind of, snatched look. Like your eyes are lifted, your wings are sharp. That's it. And now you must be knowing, for foxy eyes, your wings are stretched and there is a very small V, elongated V in inner corners as well. And I'm really bad at it. So I'm just gonna try. So I've taken the same angular brush and you have to work very light-handed so that you won't spoil anything. And I'm gonna take this here like this to my inner corners and same here as well. I'm done with this. I'm slightly gonna press it like this, like you can see. Shaky and I'm slurring 'cause I'm nervous. So I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone in my inner corners. For contour, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Dual Stick. And now for blush, I'm gonna go in with this very pinky kind of blush from Savannah. For highlighter, I have this Makeup Revolution one. So for mascara, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. I think I must go in with a ponytail so that my look will look more snatched and chiseled. So I'm just roughly gonna grab all my hair back. So I never comb them, I just go in with my fingers to get that rough ponytail look. And just tie them like this. That's it. Alright guys, so that's it with this tutorial, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and it is super easy to create. So if you create that, please do not forget to tag me. I would love to see. So if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.